The iPhone SE has a short circuit issue. It gets excessively hot after connecting the charger. Let's see how to fix this problem. We'll remove the display, all the connectors, and screws to separate the logic board. We'll remove the black cover on top of the logic board. Then we'll connect the battery connector and the charging connector to the logic board and plug in the charger. Now we'll use a thermal camera to check which IC is overheating.
It looks charging IC. U3300.
Here we can see that the charging IC is overheating and its model is U3300. Now we'll replace this IC. To do that, we need to heat it with a hot air gun and apply some soldering paste. We'll use an IC lifter tool to carefully lift it from the board. Once it's lifted, we'll thoroughly clean the surrounding area. Now we'll apply soldering paste and solder it using a soldering iron. Then we'll use soldering wick to clean all the excess solder. Now we'll clean it thoroughly with thinner. Then we'll apply soldering paste again and carefully align the charging IC in place. Then we'll use the hot air gun to blow air until it's properly soldered in place. Now we'll reconnect all the parts and plug in the charger to test the phone. We'll power it on. Yes, it's charging now. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video.